Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PPT template in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, we're going to open up a blank slide, insert this circle, give it the 5th number shadow. The next thing we have to do is just change it right here, duplicate it, and we're just going to put both the shapes on top of each other. Here we go. So after duplicating them, we're gonna make a ring type shape, and we're gonna give it an outline as well. Let's put it right here. Then we're gonna insert this curved structure right here. We're gonna give it curve ends from settings. Also, the next thing you have to do is just change it like this, and we're gonna duplicate it and put it one right here as well. Increase the sizes, ungroup them, and then we're gonna insert our text. Whatever the text you wanna use, just put it right here. Here we go. The way we're gonna do is insert the circle, increase the size, give it shadow. Here we go. We're gonna just make duplicate copies. So here we are. The next thing you have to do is just insert this color circle and give it a gradient, decrease their size. Then we're gonna make it a ring as well. Here we go. Then we're gonna duplicate it and make it a smaller circle, put it right here. Then we're gonna add 2 lines like this right here in this part, duplicate it, and we're gonna just horizontally rotate it and make them more with weight. Then what we're gonna do is increase the thickness, and then we're gonna give them gradient, but it looks better without gradient. So here we go. Now let's group it. We're gonna put it right here. So let me just adjust this circle. Here we go. We're gonna make duplicate copies. Here we go. Then we're going one by one. After changing the gradient colors, I also changed the lines colors. Here we go. One by one, we're gonna just insert these colors. And then it's time for text. So let me just put the text right here, one by one. We're gonna change the colors and increase the width of our text box. Duplicate them and put them on both the sides. And we're gonna rotate them so that we can put them right here. Here we go. Let's just put the text box right here. This looks pretty perfect. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon, and if you want this free template, comment down.